and all, welcome back to the Indian Institute of Studies and Services, where you study, succeed and serve. So dear all, this edition is on feet and meter. Well, not in mathematics and physics, but actually in English literature and in poetry basically, because this is so important from UGC-NET point of view, as well as for the entrance examinations and university examinations of BA Honours in English and Masters in English, and at times also for the entrance tests for Ph.D. in various universities. So this is something indispensable which will always come across if we want to pursue a career in English literature and language. Now, what is feet? So, feet is the repetition, or feet is the pattern of the unstressed and stressed syllables within the line of a poem. In other words, just to make it simple, in every language we know that there are certain syllables which are stressed and certain syllables which are unstressed, right? So like even in Hindi we must have read, you know, in childhood, like badi e and choti e and things like that. Okay, so the stressed and unstressed syllable within the line of poetry form particular patterns, right? So what is one foot? Foot is the singular for feet, we all know. So when one particular pattern is seen just one single time, then that is called one foot, such as one unstressed and one stressed syllable. Okay, this is one foot. Why? Because it forms one single pattern within the line of a poem. Now if this pattern keeps on repeating itself multiple times, then that will be called one meter. A meter is the number of times in which one particular foot, one particular type of foot is repeated. Okay, so for example, if this unstressed and stressed syllable, okay, is repeated like twice, then that will be called diameter. If it's just once, then it's called monometer, right? If it's repeated thrice, then it's called trimeter. In the same manner, tetrameter, pentameter and hexameter. Now coming back to feet or foot, this pattern of like unstressed and one unstressed followed by stressed syllable, as you can see on the board, is called iambic. I-A-M-B-I-C. This I-A-M-B-I-C, iambic, is that type of foot in which one unstressed syllable is followed by one stressed syllable. Okay, this forms one foot called the iambic foot. Then if it's repeated two times, it will be called iambic feet, okay, because plural. And when we talk about meter, it will be called iambic diameter. If repeated thrice, it will be called iambic trimeter. So we are aware of the term iambic pentameter. Okay, iambic pentameter means this iambic feet of one unstressed and stressed syllable is repeated for 5 multiple times within one single line of a poem. So it is called iambic pentameter. Okay, so just to repeat, a feet is actually the kind of pattern of the unstressed and stressed syllables within the line of a poem. Okay, just like iambic, which is the pair or pattern of one unstressed and stressed syllable within the line of a poem. Similarly, there are different types of such types of or patterns of syllables. There can be two unstressed and one stressed syllable. Well, this will be called by some other name. Then there will be like one stressed and two unstressed syllable, then that will be called by other name. We will discuss all these different types of feet in our upcoming lectures. However, right now we just have an example of Thomas Gray's poem Elegy, written in a country churchyard. From there we have just taken one particular line: the curfew tolls the knell of parting day. So the curfew tolls the knell of parting day. So here you will find a combination of unstressed and stressed syllable. In the THE we have unstressed syllable. In curfew we have a combination of stressed as well as unstressed syllable. Unstressed syllable is denoted by one like semicircle U, and stressed syllable is denoted by just one small diagonal line. Okay, so and feet is the 1 meter is the total number of such feet used within a line, like monometer, diameter, trimeter, tetrameter, pentameter and hexameter. In case of any queries about this, because these are somewhat technical subjects or areas of studies, you can always contact us on the given email or on the helpline WhatsApp number. We'll be happy to help you, and feel free to clear out your doubts in the classroom batch. Okay, and see you in the next lecture with the different types of feet, because they are so very important from different examination points of view, like UGC-NET and various university entrance tests, right from UG, PG and to the PhD tests. So revise foot and meter, okay, and feet of course, and see you in the next lecture. Till then, stay happy, stay blessed. Bye bye.